How to fix Fox News app not working. Hello and welcome everyone, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. If your Fox News application is not working, first and foremost check if your application is undergoing an update. While your application is undergoing an update, your app will simply not work. In that case, you can have some patience and try again. If that is not the case, you can tap open your Play Store. In the search icon, search for Fox News. Check if there is any available update. If there is any, simply leave your application for an update or uninstall the application. After that, you can head back from here and open up your phone settings. While you are in your phone settings, you actually have to navigate to the option of apps. Then tap on all apps. Tap on the search icon to search for Fox News. Tap on the Force Stop button, head over to Storage and Cache and clear it up. This will fix any of the bug or the glitch issue. Last but not the least, check for the Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is acting up, switch into a better Wi-Fi connectivity or cellular data. And that is how you'll be able to fix the application not working. And it's a wrap for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.